In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Bank of America account. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna talk about various possible methods to fix issues that you might be having with your Bank of America account. Keep in mind that I recommend that you follow these in order, and some of these will apply for specific cases. So to start, I'm gonna talk about possible fixes that you can use if you are having trouble signing into a Bank of America account. If you have a pre-existing Bank of America account, you double check your credentials and you know they are correct, and you are having trouble signing into their website or the mobile app, the first thing to check if you are using the mobile app is to see if the app is up to date, running the latest version available. By having the latest version of the Bank of America mobile app that you can find on the Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS, you are going to ensure that you won't encounter any issues while trying to sign into the pre-existing account. Of course, this is a very basic solution, but it usually helps because if you have an not updated version of the app, you are going to encounter issues when trying to sign in. Now, the next thing to check is your network or connectivity. Make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, or if you are using mobile data, double check to see if that is enabled. If you don't have a strong network connection, you will not be able to sign into the app. With all of that out of the way, make sure that the servers for the Bank of America are up. If they are undergoing maintenance, obviously you will not be able to go in, and you have to wait until they finish maintenance on their end. Now, if all of these basic fixes don't help you and your account is still frozen for whatever reason, even after you search for your credentials, you make sure they are correct, your problem might be more extreme, and unfortunately, there isn't much that you can do on your end online. The best course of action, if you notice that your Bank of America account is frozen and these basic fixes did not work, is to visit a branch. So you will have to go to a physical location and talk to their customer support, who will be able to assist you. As long as you present the necessary documents and identification, they will be able to assist you in getting your account unfrozen. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix a Bank of America account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.